check this out. From the outside, it's just somehow an ordinary box. But what's inside will absolutely blow you away, we promise that. The carbon fiber look already gives something away. This is no ordinary model. Inside, we find a Pagani Zonda R of the very finest quality. The manufacturer is called Almost Real, admittedly our first model from this manufacturer and probably not our last. This brings us to the major question of this video. Is this the most detailed and coolest model in 1/64 scale ever? As is often the case, we have a very affordable alternative to compare with the Pagani Zonda R from Almost Real. Namely, one that costs no more than $3. Hot Wheels has also released the Zonda R as a mainliner in 2022, and what shall we say? They delivered. The proportions are well chosen, the print looks great, and the choice of rims is spot on. You can even see the front headlights and the tow hook. The base is made of plastic, of course, and the model is very light overall. Just like the real thing, the Hot Wheels car is a perfect track tool. But there is always one step higher, so shall we? Our Pagani diorama hides a secret. In addition to other Zonda R models in various colors, we have a Zonda R from Pagani with the same design as Almost Real. Also in full carbon, but with even more prints, inspired by the record-breaking drive at the Nürburgring. As you can see, there are many more interesting color variations of the Zonda R in general. There are numerous manufacturers who bring fantastic models from Pagani onto the market. These include CM Model, Tarmacworks, Mini GT, PGM, and many more. But now it's time to unpack and to take a closer look. As mentioned, it says Zonda R everywhere, so it should be clear to everyone what's inside. We find an important detail on the back: the model is fully licensed, and other Pagani names are also included. It is also explicitly stated that this is a collector's item and not a toy. This should be clear to everyone once the box is opened. Included is a collector's card, which serves as a certificate of authenticity for the Almost Real model. Tarmacworks, for example, did a brilliant job with their special edition Zonda model, which came with a carbon fiber card, way better than this cardboard stuff. As you can clearly see here, the individual parts are separated so that you can examine them more closely. 2 sets of stands are included so that the individual parts can be placed on the stand instead of on the floor. We know that already from the Stance Hunters models such as the Mercedes McLaren SLR. Now, just look at how delicate the engine cover is. Beautifully printed carbon fiber everywhere, plus red leather straps like on the original. You can then simply place the car part on the stand for demonstration to watch more closely. The same applies to the front cover, very cleanly finished, with imitation red leather straps attached here too. But now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the car itself. Just take a look from a distance and see how cool the model looks. And it's also very light, almost like the real carbon fiber material. Now check this out. How awesome is that? This is undoubtedly the most detailed model you can buy at this scale in 1/64. No question about it. The engine block, the suspension, the individual wiring, the exhaust pipes. Guys, this is just insane. This is what a collector leaves speechless. Then you have slick tires that roll really well too. That surprised us a lot, to be honest. The front wheels roll wonderfully too. Check out the air intakes. Nothing is fake. Everything is faithfully reproduced. Here's a direct comparison. Above is the Hot Wheels model for just under $3. Below is our Masterpiece for around $70 from AR. Yes, prices on the internet range from $70 to $150. The price range between Hot Wheels and AR is enormous, but the difference in the models themselves is light years apart. Here you can clearly see the difference between mass-produced goods and handcrafted items. Speaking of craftsmanship, we almost forgot to mention that we also have 1/18 scale models here. Take this masterpiece from AutoArt, for example. Beside the fact that this model has also one of the most detailed craftsmanship in case of the engine worked ever, simply everything can be opened or basically removed. Even the doors are openable, which our model from AR unfortunately isn't able to do so. But the small model keeps up well with the detailed work. Sure, we're on a whole different level here at AutoArt, but still, just to give you an idea of the realm we're operating in here. By the way, these models currently retail for between $900 and $2,000 per model. So we'd say we're getting a good deal at $70 for this little one, right? But what do you think of this model by AR? Would it be worth the money to you? Feel free to write us in the comments what you think it, and we're always happy to hear a feedback. Thank you as always for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. That way, you won't miss any more videos from us. See you next time. Happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers!